stopped off at Waddington train station. I was looking across it. I caught Terry's eye. I was looking across, looking at getting all emotional. The train went past, knocked a load of snow off the top, hit her in the face, so I couldn't help. I was laughing. That literally broke the ice, so to speak. We swapped numbers, and then 7 years down the line, we've got four kids together. I just knew I was going to end up marrying her one day.
Hi, mate. How you feeling?
I'm so nervous, mate. Biggest day of my life. Terry looks absolutely stunning as well.
Enjoy it.
This song's for you two. Go into morning at Warrington Station. It felt like just another day. You caught my eye, and as that train went by and flung that snow upon your face, I couldn't help but laugh. 7 years later, here we are. Now every time our song comes on, I realise just how far we've come. With Faye and Leighton, Finley and Riley, perfect chaos, but I'm complete with you beside me. I brought you back where the story started, so I'm yours, Terry. When you know, you just know, so I'm on one knee.
Terry, I love you with all my heart. From the day I met you, I've wanted to marry you. Will you marry me, please?